Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to look at a Ford Super Duty F-250 LARIAT. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside leather interior. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Spray-in bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. And your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-250 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.